We'll guide you through how to create a Vercel AI chatbot. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and sign up or log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new project. Click on the New Project button on your dashboard. Next, select your GitHub repository where your chatbot code is stored. If you don't have the code yet, you can clone a ready-made AI chatbot repository from GitHub. Make sure your code is set up to run as a serverless function, as that's how Vercel will execute it. After selecting your repository, configure the build and output settings. Make sure your AI model's API key and any other environment variables are set up under the Environment Variables section in the Vercel project settings. This is crucial for connecting your chatbot to the AI service you're using, like OpenAI or another NLP provider. Now, click Deploy to start the deployment process. Vercel will take a few moments to build and deploy your project. Once it's deployed, you'll get a unique URL where your chatbot is hosted. You can test your chatbot by going to this URL and interacting with it. If you encounter any issues, check the Vercel logs for errors and adjust your code or configuration as needed. And that's it, you now have an AI chatbot up and running on Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.